The 2026 Audi E5 Sportback represents a noteworthy evolution in Audi's transition toward electrified mobility, particularly in the context of its strategic emphasis on the Chinese market. This model, co-developed with SAIC Motor, exemplifies Audi's adaptive approach to regional market dynamics and consumer expectations. From a design perspective, the Sportback silhouette maintains the brand's commitment to aerodynamic efficiency and aesthetic refinement, while its integration of the Advanced Digitized Platform underscores a forward-thinking stance on automotive architecture and digital ecosystems. Performance-wise, the E5 Sportback is not merely a utilitarian EV, but a technical tour de force. With a dual motor configuration delivering up to 579 kW, approximately 776 HP, it achieves a 0-100 km/h sprint in just 3.4 seconds, an acceleration benchmark more commonly associated with high-performance sports cars. This is supported by an 800-volt system architecture and a 100 kW battery pack, enabling fast charging capability and a driving range of up to 770 kilometers, CLTC. These specifications signal Audi's intent to challenge both legacy internal combustion vehicles and emerging electric competitors on equal footing. Interior innovation is another pillar of the E5 Sportback's appeal. The cabin features a continuous 4K digital display across the dashboard, driven by a Snapdragon 8295 chip, which consolidates multimedia, navigation, and vehicle control interfaces into a unified digital environment. The inclusion of semi-autonomous driving features, powered by a LiDAR-based Audi 360 system, positions the E5 at the forefront of intelligent mobility. In total, the 2026 Audi E5 Sportback exemplifies a holistic reimagining of luxury electric driving, balancing performance, sustainability, and technological sophistication with academic precision and market acuity.